I'm creating one loan by selecting a product scheme. The loan is for 12 months, so I'm selecting a date where all installments will be due. So loan number 422 is created. All installments are overdue, hence I am entering amount keeping one installment less. This amount is going to be 110,506. I click receive. Then second installment I receive of 11,000. Because loan is closed, if you see installments, one installment is created for excess amount 947. This record is also added here. The last transaction reflects 11,000. Now I want to refund 947. So $947 and click refund. In this case, this entry is added here. In payment also refund entry is added as a reversal. The effect of installment tracker, one installment which was added as excess amount, this installment is cleared. Now what we want to do is, by doing the refund, we have basically settled this loan. So in installment tracker, we have to delete this installment and we have to delete fees and charges. I would suggest that first delete fees and charges and then delete the installment, so that when we delete this, it will update installment tracker as well. Okay, now I search loan number 422. In transaction we can see outstanding as 0. Party ledger we see no closing balance. Installment tracker we see all the installments are green, but only challenge is that this loan is not closed. So for closing this loan forcefully, go to master setup, correction, enter the amount, enter the loan number here in this from number and click close loan 422. You can go to loan 422 and this loan is closed now. After closing this loan in a forcefully way, then if you click reprocess transaction, this will affect the installment tracker and will bring the system to the original stage. So once the loan is closed forcefully, I would not suggest to reprocess the transaction. Thank you.